Why do you say you've kissed the ground I walk on? You should have me killed, rather. I'm so tired. So tired. I'm a seagull. I'm a seagull. No. I'm an actress. He's there too. Oh, well, no matter. He doesn't believe in theatre, you know. He didn't believe in my dreams. That slowly I started to lose myself. I played my parts with no meaning. I didn't know what to do with my fingers. I didn't know what to do with my arms. And then came the cares of love. All the anxiety for the baby. I'm a seagull. I'm a seagull. I'm a seagull. You remember the seagull you shot for me? You laid it on my feet. He saw that. You know what he said? Oh, I have a story for you. A girl such as yourself, young, beautiful, naive, loved the sea like the seagull. And a man comes along. Because he had nothing better to do, he ruins her. What was I trying to say? Theatre. The stage. The stage. The stage. The stage. The stage. I've changed now. I'm a real actress. I act with joy, with exaltation. I feel great. You know, I've been walking and walking and thinking and thinking. You know what I realized? It's not the joy of fame, it's not glory. It's the strength to endure. And I found my strength. I believe. I bear my cross. I have faith. And when I think of my calling, I don't fear life.